This is the biography of Associate Professor Dr. Timo Nue. I am Dr. Timo Nue, an anatomist and medical educator. I began my medical journey in Myanmar, earning my MBBS from Institute of Medicine 1 Yangon and later completed my PhD in anatomy at Chiba University, Japan. With over 35 years of experience in teaching anatomy, I've served at the Institute of the Medicine 1 Yangon, University Malaysia Sarawak, and currently at UNIKL Royal College of Medicine, Perak. My research covers anatomy, dynamics of muscular proteins, and medical education. I've published more than 25 Scopus Index papers, authored several academic books, and received multiple research grants. As an examiner, evaluator, and mentor, I take pride in guiding the next generation of doctors. My lifelong mission is to advance anatomy and medical science education through innovation, dedication, and compassion. Thank you.